How to change language on the AliExpress website. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can change the language on the AliExpress website. First thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up aliexpress.us, and then from here you just need to make sure that you're logged in. Now once you are logged in, as you can see I'm already logged in, you'll find your location here at the top. Just go ahead and click on this. And right below your location, you have your state, your city, and then you can find the language option right below that. So AliExpress provides language options based on your location to target people of different demographic groups. So you can just go ahead and click on the option to change language. So it will automatically change the language based on your location. Let's say if I change my location to Korea, what it does is if I just tap on save, it's going to automatically change the language to Korean, and everything now will be on Korean, and the products that will be shown here will be also based on the location. So if you want to translate it back to English, you can click on the drop down while making sure you are still in Korea. Tap on the language option, change to English, tap on the save, and now everything will be on English, but the product recommended to you will be based on the location you've selected here. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.